Hey, fellow adventurers! Welcome back to my channel, The Roaming Investor. Today, I have an exciting topic to discuss: solo travel tips. If you're planning to embark on an epic solo journey, this video is a must-watch. So, let's dive right into it. Tip number 1: research and plan ahead. It's crucial to do your homework before setting off on a solo adventure. Start by picking a destination that aligns with your interests, but also consider the safety aspect. Look for reviews, travel blogs, and forums to gather information about the place you want to visit. Moving on to tip number 2, pack smart and travel light. When you're traveling alone, you don't want to be weighed down by excessive luggage. Pack essentials, versatile clothing, and consider the weather conditions of your destination. Don't forget to leave some space for souvenirs and mementos you'll collect along the way. Tip number 3, stay connected and share your itinerary. While solo travel is all about independence and freedom, it's essential to maintain some level of communication. Share your travel plans with a trusted friend or family member and keep them updated regularly. It's always good to have someone looking out for you, even from a distance. Moving on to tip number 4, trust your intuition and stay aware. As a solo traveler, it's crucial to listen to your instincts and be aware of your surroundings. Stay vigilant, especially in unfamiliar places. Trust your gut feelings when it comes to choosing accommodations, transportation, and even interactions with strangers. Last but not least, tip number 5, embrace new experiences and connect with others. Solo travel provides an incredible opportunity to step out of your comfort zone and make meaningful connections. Be open to meeting fellow travelers, locals, and immersing yourself in the local culture. You never know what amazing friendships and memories you'll create along the way. To wrap it all up, remember these 5 solo travel tips. Research and plan ahead, pack smart and travel light. Stay connected and share your itinerary. Trust your intuition and stay aware. And finally, embrace new experiences and connect with others. And that's a wrap, my fellow wanderers. I hope these tips will help you make the most out of your solo travel adventures. Remember, solo travel can be an incredibly rewarding and transformative experience. So go out there, explore the world, and create unforgettable memories. Until next time, safe travels, and keep adventuring.
If you're enjoying the content on this channel, please take a moment to hit the like button and subscribe to